How to create a poll message on Messenger. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can make a poll in your Messenger group chat. Now it is really easy, so without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, you'll need to open up your Messenger. After you open up your Messenger, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, you can head over to any group chat that you'd like to create a poll in. If you don't have a group chat, so you can simply create one. After you do so, open up the group chat. After you're on group chat, this is the poll I'm talking about. You can vote in whichever you want here and tap on submit. Now this is the poll I'm talking about. Now if you want to create this, you'll simply need to tap on the plus icon under your text area and you will see the poll option. Tap on poll. Now what you'll need to do is just ask a poll question. Now let me say car or bike. Now after I do this, I can simply add options. Let's say these are my options. Now you can add more and more options here. After you do so, you can simply tap on create poll. Now after you do so, the poll has been created, and yeah, that is basically it. Now that is how you create a poll in Messenger. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye.